Basically, I'm gonna like release like a lead single from the project, the EP, which is called Siafanelana, with my boy behind the camera, Oli Phantom. Shout out to him, yeah, man. And then after that, we're gonna like plan like dropping like the EP, because I have to do like the listening session and the media tour.
Okay, when is the single? So this is my problem with this guy. He never releases. He talks about releasing, but he never does it. Or he says he's going to be doing some media tour. Okay, he doesn't do it. He says he's going to be doing a media launch or a launch of some sort. He doesn't do it. He says he's going to do it, but he doesn't do it. When is the single coming out? Give me a date.
Okay, cool. So next month, probably on the 15th, I'm going to drop like a single for y'all to hold on to for like a couple of... Yeah, for the
What's
actual...
the wait for? It's Linda and the dog.
Like,
why don't you give people the music?
Okay.
People love you. People receive your music very well.
Okay.
Why don't you give it to them?
Okay, so actually it's not my problem. The problem is back at summer, dog. So I was like registering the thing. So they're taking too long to like respond. So I'm trying all by means to keep people entertained. So that's the reason why I'm gonna drop that single.
I understand. So are you coming to my show to premiere the song?
Oh my God, for sure, dog.
Looking forward to that, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, my G.
Wait.